I'm starting out by making my marinade for the chicken. I need a half a cup of soy sauce, a half cup brown sugar, a quarter cup of oil. I just eyeballed it. I chopped up a bunch of garlic and ginger. I'm adding that in. Next, I'm going in with some Korean red chili powder, one of my favorite products, about this much. Last, I'm going in with some sesame oil. Just going to give this a stir. Get this all combined. I now have boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I cut into pieces, and I'm going to add part of the marinade into the bag. I can link these down below. They're awesome. So now I'm just going to get this bag sealed up. And this is going to go into the refrigerator for a couple hours to marinate. Like so. And now with this extra bit of marinade that I saved, I'm going to add in a little bit of cornstarch, about a teaspoon. And I'm just going to whisk that in. And this will be our stir-fry sauce that we will be using a little bit later. While the chicken is marinating, I am just going to cut up onions and a bunch of celery. Okay, now all our vegetables are prepped and ready to go. Let's make some rice. Now dinner is prepped, the rice is cooking. Kitchen is cleaned up. A little bit later, I'll cook up the chicken and pull this together. It is so easy, and this meal is so fresh, delicious, flavorful, you name it. It hits all the points. We'll be back in just a bit. My pan is hot. I'm just adding some oil. Pepper. After a minute or two, I'm adding the chicken back in. Then to finish, the sauce that we reserved and added the cornstarch to. Let that thicken up for 30 seconds or a minute, and dinner is done. Look how beautiful this is. Here's the jasmine rice that we made earlier. So good, so fresh, crunchy, and that teriyaki chicken is so good. Give this one a try. This is a foolproof, super delicious, super easy weeknight dinner recipe. You cannot go wrong with this. If you've seen any of my previous recipes where I've used this teriyaki marinade, you know it is an absolute winner. It's so good. It's so versatile. This is a great recipe. I highly recommend you try it. You will not be disappointed. I absolutely promise. I just want to say thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I can pop another video right here for you to check out between now and my next upload. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I upload every other day, and I can't wait to see you next time.